welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to save money on Lazada by using voucher codes. If you are not familiar, Lazada is one of the Southeast Asia's biggest online shopping platforms, and it's available in multiple countries, which offers everything from electronics to fashion, home goods, and even groceries. Now let's dive right into it. First thing first, open any kind of browser. Here I'm going to use Chrome browser. After opening your browser, go to the search bar right here and start typing lazada.com.my. And after doing that, press on enter. And this will lead you to the official website of Lazada. This is where you can begin your shopping journey. Here, pick any items that you want to shop. I'm going to go with this milk powder, and to buy it, scroll down and you can see the two options, buy now and add to cart. If you add to cart, your product will be added to the cart, and if you want to buy right now, you can simply just click on it. After doing so, here you can see there are a lot of things that you need to fill up. Your personal information, your full name, your phone number, floor and unit number that you want your delivery to get in, your province, your district, and many more. And here you can see your billing too. When you scroll down, here you can see your billing. And in the voucher, here you can see enter your voucher code. This is where you want to enter your voucher code. And after entering your voucher code, now click on this button that you see, apply, and your voucher will be applied. And like this, you can simply just press order after filling all those information. And that is how you can use your voucher code on Lazada. Very simple and easy, right? If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.